Keep training. You'll get it. Ich, ni, song, shi. Come on, everybody, train karate.
Ich, ni, song, shi. Come on, everybody, train karate.
I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but I've trained karate from coast to coast.
Karate. Train your body.
I've done the kung fu, the shoan-ryu. I even did a little jujitsu. Karate. Train your body.
Well, I've trained karate around the world. I'm known all over as Karate Girl. I'm witty, I'm pretty, got the female smarts. So listen to our rap about the martial arts. Karate. Train your body.
Karate.
Train your body.
Come on, everybody, train karate. Come on, everybody, train karate.
Karate, train your body. All the time.
I walk the streets, I have no fear. I always know my karate is near. I never have to fight, and I'll tell you why. No one wants to fight with a samurai.
I'm a samurai, and that's better yet. I got the kicks, got the punches, the intuitive hunches. I just want to mention to release the tension. Karate, train your body.
I train for fun. I'm a shogun.
Karate,
Train your body. I train in my car. I'm a ninja.
karate.
So listen to our rap, listen to our rhyme, cause we train karate all the time.
Hey! Kill! Karate is a lifetime marathon. It doesn't matter what belt you have on.
I'm a black belt.
Makes my heart melt. Karate in the home, karate on the street. You know, you can stand alone and fast on your feet. The signal goes off, your adrenaline quickens. One good punch and then run like the Dickens. Come on, everybody, train karate.
Karate, train your body all the time.